During the summer of 2020, local children, families, volunteers and other residents were invited to write to Horace and to explain how their local community had come together to support one another during the lockdown. Or, if they preferred, to write about their thoughts during this time, be it about nature or other aspects of the world around them, much as Walpole wrote extensively about the world around him, his house, his gardens, his friends and local gossip. Over 250 letters were received, and they will be displayed within the house to serve as a reminder both of Walpole's literary legacy and of acts of kindness within the local community during 2020, when we all have needed each other's support more than ever. Here now, from just a few of the letter writers.
Dear Horace, the past few months have been the most difficult and peculiar that I've had in my life. Back in March, nearly everything in the country stopped as we went into lockdown.
More people are out now, walking, cycling, enjoying nature.
I see some people wearing gloves, some people wearing masks, some people social distancing.
In April we did not have any showers and the skies were wonderfully blue. This may have been because there were very few polluting motor cars on the roads or aeroplanes in our skies. Both modern conveniences that you will not have encountered.
Walking on the road, I've seen NHS protesters and met some of my neighbours at a safe distance.
We've helped Grandad with his shopping, we've stayed social distancing, and I've drawn a rainbow to show support for the NHS and key workers.
And I've got closer with my family because we play board games, card games and video games every day.
Dear Horace, it seems that as I grow older, the less certain I become about life. Who would have thought that by limiting ourselves to only one form of exercise a day, we would cherish our daily observations and delight in the unfolding of spring 2020.
A group of children playing, the squeaking of the swings, the splashing of the sprinkler and a neighbour's doorbell dings, the boinging of a trampoline, the creaking of a chair, music singing from the radio, special moments we can share. How I love the lockdown garden, the sounds are oh so clear, but the chatter of my classmates is a sound I want to hear.
Lots of chilling, lots of sport, lots of news to report. Only wish to socialise, but I have to sanitise. Could be better, could be worse, clapping lots for every nurse. Depressing news, empty streets, special moments to keep things sweet. Out of business, out of work, but food stores are open where the viruses lurk. What do I do in this time? Thankfully, I have friends online.
Dear Horace, thank you so much for waiting on my letter as part of your project at Strawberry Hill House and Garden. I hope it arrives with you on time, but even if not, I've had the loveliest time sending these to big old houses around the country and to interesting people who might appreciate them. Yours is being written with the herring gull feather we found on Swanage Beach.
I wonder how you are doing with your very impressive letters, and I can't wait till I might get to receive a reply. Your letters are always wonderful. Last year I finished reading your latest book, The Castle of Otranto. It was a very exciting novel, by the way. I liked every word of it. Last time I visited your house, I admired your beautiful red roses. I also have some big bright coloured tulips growing in my garden too, as well as the lovely smell of my sweet peas that are currently climbing up my fence.
We were allowed daily exercise, and this is where I pass on my thanks to you. Your garden has become an oasis of calm in a world, although at that time unusually quiet, affording the opportunity to be able to concentrate on the sounds and scents that would have brought pleasure to you. My sincere thanks to you and the local community who made that space available to me.
To reflect on the extraordinary year we've all just experienced, and to mark Horace Walpole's role as a prolific letter writer and commentator in the 18th century, the house is staging a beautiful and moving installation for you to enjoy.